Here we go. We're just going away for a holiday, but it is the hottest day of the year. So as you can probably hear, there is some noise coming out of that fan on the side there. And so this thing lives on the outside of the caravan, and then you have a little umbilical cable which goes up and into the unit which lives on the inside of the caravan. Well, it is good morning, and what we're going to do is fit this air conditioning unit to the caravan. So as I take this out, I'm just going to show you that I'll spin around this way, by the way, because that bit's in English, whereas the rest of it's in foreign languages. It's got 2 speed settings, and there are timers on this as well, and this drains hardly any amps from the actual unit itself. So in terms of component parts, there's a couple of brackets that need fitting onto the side of this. You can see that it's already got the lugs in the right place. So all you've got to do is work out how far down it's going to hang from the window. Okay, that's it all done now, so we just set those 2 up. These 2 bits are the bits where you slide the internal unit over the top of, which lives inside. And these hangers here are the bits where it hangs on the window. And then these little stoppers, just pull these out. These are the bits that keep it away from the caravan.
I hope you find the 10 best ways to put an air conditioning unit on the caravan exciting, but in the meantime, do you like my holiday nails?
Okay, here we go. I'm going to fit that on the inside, but first of all I need an ably bodied assistant. David, stick your head out, say hello.
Hello.
Wave. There we go. So I'm going to pass you the inside unit whilst we hang this on there.
But they're really nice, aren't they? My holiday nails. Can you see them?
Stop it, come on.
And welcome back to the exciting part 2 of how to put an air conditioning unit on a caravan, plus Fiona's summer holiday nails. Over to Steve.
Right, we're done. So all we've done is just hung this and locked the windows on this side, and then we'll put these curtains behind it so we don't get any extra heat on there that we don't need. I'm sweating already, so we definitely need this switching on, and all we have is a plug. Now it's a Euro plug because I bought this on eBay in the, well, not the UK, let's put it that way, because it was somewhat cheaper. You can buy these from Call My Camper, or have a look on Call My Camper, and that will give you all the tech specs for all those on it. But anyway, we'll just plug it in. It beeps, and then we'll just turn it on. You will not be able to feel this, but I feel that already. Thank you very much.
Bless.
So coming up on the next episode, you know how it is. When you buy a caravan and it's got some bike rack fittings on the back, you're going, ooh, where's the bike rack? So I've got one of those to fit, and I've done that for the next video for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button where you can receive notifications as well via the little bell. Thank you.